G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a fantastic property, unit number 5, 38 Alice Street. We are actually walking distance to the Main Street and CBD district, as well as the beach and esplanade. I can't wait to show you around, so let's go and take a look. Are you looking to invest in one of our state's fastest growing regional centres? Well, what about a holiday escape to escape those southern winters? Or simply a low maintenance home to return to between your nomadic travels? This fantastic townhouse will tick all these boxes. Enjoy the lifestyle and convenience that comes with being walking distance to our Main Street and CBD district, as well as the beautiful esplanade, beach and emerald waters of Hervey Bay. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the 14 kilometres of landscape foreshore, taking in those breathtaking views, and enjoy a multitude of delicious dining options or a coffee at a number of nearby cafes and restaurants. Feel the sand between your toes and take a refreshing dip in the ocean whilst enjoying our year-round temperate climate. This lovely home is positioned to the rear of a private secure gated complex and has been oriented to capture the predominant southeast sea breezes with cross-flow ventilation to capitalise on our fantastic year-round subtropical temperate climate. The open plan dining and living areas form the heart of this home, with high vaulted ceilings allowing natural light to flood in. There is a private courtyard and outdoor entertaining area to the rear, with that coveted north aspect where you'll enjoy your morning cuppa whilst watching the sunrise, or afternoon beverage with the last light of the day. Staying cool over the warm summer months is as simple as turning on the large split system air conditioner in the main living area, and we also have both bedrooms with split systems as well. The stylish kitchen includes a large preparation bench with plenty of storage and pantry, plus quality appliances which include an electric cooktop with range hood and a dishwasher. The laundry is located to the rear of the garage and includes plenty of bench and storage space and offers direct access outside to the clothesline. There are 2 spacious bedrooms, both with built-in wardrobes, ceiling fans and split system reverse cycle air conditioning. The main bedroom also offers direct access outside to the private courtyard. Both bedrooms are serviced by the main bathroom, which does include a large shower, double vanities and the toilet. The single car garage with remote panel lift door offers direct internal access into the home, and we also have space to the side of this property to accommodate a small boat, camper van or trailer. The owner is not testing the market and is calling for an immediate sale. So here's your opportunity. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.